Hello students, now we will see the questions that comes in your examination of direction chapter. Okay, so let's see the questions. So here is a question. Rahul start walking towards the east from her home to his college. So he is here. So here he walked 10 kilometer east. He walks for 10 kilometer in the east, takes a left turn and walk 20 kilometer further to reach his college. Okay, this is his college. In which direction is his college with respect to home? So you can see this direction. This is, you can draw like this. This is southwest direction, southwest direction. And if they ask you to calculate distance, you can also calculate it. 20 square plus 10 square, that comes out to be root 500. Okay. So root 500, you can solve it further to find out the answer of the questions, or you can keep it like this only. Okay. So here is a first question for you. A man walks 20 meter, then turns right and walk 10 meter, then turns right and again walk 20 meter. So you assume here is a starting point, and whenever there is nothing mentioned, you have to walk in north direction. So he walked 20 meter in north direction, then he turns his right. So use your palm. Okay, straight it was, now right. So this is left if you keep your palm straight, and this is right. So this is where he is walking now. It is 10 meter, right? After 10 meter, then turns right. So after here, you again use your palm and turn right. So this will be the direction where you are coming, and he walked 20 meter from here. Now the question is, in which direction he is facing now. So earlier his face was in this direction. After coming in this way, his face is in this direction. So he is in which direction? His face is in which direction? South direction, right? In which direction from starting point he is? So it is your starting point. This is the point where he is. So with reference to starting point, in which direction he is? He is in east direction. So this answer comes out to be east. And how far he is from starting point? He is how far from starting point? This is starting point, this is end point. So it is 10 meter, right? 10 meter distance. So he is 10 meter far from starting point. Okay. So this how you need to solve the questions of direction. So here is a question. A man walks 5 meter towards south. So from starting point he is walking 5 meter towards south. This is mentioned. After that he takes a right turn and walks 3 meter. So you use your palm in this direction, which is left and which is right. So you see that if you use your palm like this will be your left, this will be your right. This is your right. So right direction he is walking how much? 3 meter, and then takes a left. From here he takes a left turn. So which is left direction? This, if you keep your palm like this will be your right, this will be your left, right? So left direction he turns and walk 5 meter. In which direction he is from the starting point? This is asked. So I told you starting point is like this, and this will be the point. So this is which direction? South west, right? So southwest direction he is. Towards which direction he is facing now? So which direction he is facing? His face is towards south direction, right? He is facing downward his face. So this comes out to be southwest, and this comes out to be south. So this is the next question, that is, starting from point P, Shahjahan walked 20 meter towards south. This is P, and she walked 20 meter south. She then turns her left and walk 30 meter. This will be your left. You can use your hand, left hand, from this direction. Like this, you can place your palm finger, and here it comes out to be left, and this comes out to be right. So she walked how many? 30 meters left. Okay. She then turned to her left and walked 20 meter. So again 20 meter left. You can use your palm in order to find left and right. 20 meter. She again turned to left and walked 40 meter. After that she walked 40 meter and reach a point Q. So here she reached point Q. How far and in which direction is she? Q is from P. So in which direction it is? It is in west direction, 10-meter west, right? 10-meter west. So this is your answer. In this question, we are going to see how to solve this type of questions where there is a direction involved. Okay, so let's see the question. Neha walks 20-meter north. So we just have to make a diagram in such type of question because we cannot solve this type of question directly. Perfect. Fine. So we consider that this is the starting point and Neha walks towards north. So north is this direction. And after walking for 20 meters, so you just write 20-meter, she turned her right. Okay, so her right is what? Your face is here, so your right will be in this direction. So she walked 35-meter after that. Okay, after 35 meters, then she turned left and walked for 15-meter. From here, she turned left and walked for 15-meter. Right. Again, she turns left and walk for 35-meter. From here, she walked again for 35-meter. Okay. So this 35-meter, she again walked and now she is exactly here. How far in which direction she is from the original position? So original position is what? This. From here, you can see there is a 20-meter gap. After that, this 35-meter and this 35-meter, first she went to this 35-meter, then she go ahead and from there she again turn a left and reach this point. So this 35 get neutralized, and actually what distance she actually covered after this is only 15-meter. So the total distance what she covered is 20 plus 15, that is 20-meter plus 15-meter, that is 35-meter. And in which direction she is now? She is in north direction because this is north where she was going, right? So the answer of this question will be 35-meter north. Thank you.